Hi, Raylene Froman, the Roamin Froman. Today I'm roaming on the north side of Pueblo and we're going to check out a couple of new developments. If you're interested in new construction, then this might be the neighborhood for you. Hi, Raylene Froman, the Roamin Froman here, and today we're going to take a look at the Noble model, which is a Richmond American Homes. Has a cute little covered porch out front. Walk inside here. Grand entry. Up front here in this floor plan, split bedroom floor plan, we have one of the bedrooms. Large windows, nice storage in the closet. In between, a family bath, sink, the LVT flooring throughout. This is the second bedroom. Beautifully decorated. Get some great decorating ideas as well. This is the entry to the garage. Walking down the hall here, great open space with a beautiful living room fireplace, extended dining room, and wouldn't you love to cook in that kitchen? Isn't that beautiful? Large island for entertaining. And then off the dining room, we have some great outdoor space with a sliding glass door and covered patio. Let's take a look at the master or the primary. Here we have the primary bedroom. Great open space, tall ceilings, lots of windows and light. And this is your master bath. Double sinks, little linen storage, walk-in closet, and our separate toilet room. This home is located in Crestview Hills, a lovely neighborhood on the north side. New development. And then you have your washer and dryer, your laundry room, and utility closet. Hope you enjoyed this tour. I'll give you some statistics and then we'll head to another area called Villa Bella on the north side of Pueblo. So this neighborhood is about 90% done. If you're looking for new development that has a lot of the homes completed, so that you aren't putting up with new construction for an extended period of time, this is a great neighborhood here. Some of the landscaping of the homes, it does come with front yard landscaping.